Hi, this is Cherie with Rehash Fiber. Today I'm going to teach you how to knit one to the front and one to the back in the same stitch, so you increase by one stitch. It's abbreviated KFB. It means increase one stitch by knitting into the front and back of the stitch, and that would be of the next stitch. So to show you how to do that, I have a stockinette pattern going here. I'm in the middle of a knit row, and to increase with the KFB, we're going to knit to the front, but we're not going to take it off the left needle. We're now going to cross over and knit into the back strand on the left needle. Now we're going to pull it through. You now have two stitches where before you had one. Okay, let's do that one more time. We're going to knit into this stitch into the front like normal, wrap the yarn in the right hand around the needle in the back. We're going to pull that through. Do not take the yarn off the left needle, but bring your right needle over and knit into the strand of yarn that's in the back. Wrap your yarn around that, bring that through, now push it off the left needle, and you have made two stitches from one. Thanks for watching.